Hi children and welcome to our class. And today's class we are going to see the new chapter 12, and the title is Greedy Mini. Okay? Today we are going to see the new chapter and the title is Greedy Mini. Okay? First we are going to see the new words and did you know, and let's see the story. Everybody see page number 184 and see the new words. The first one is delicious. Delicious. So it means looking good and tasty. And the next one, greedy. So greedy means shellfish. And the next one, stuffing. Stuffing means eat more food from through your mouth. Okay, eat more food. திணிக்கிறது. Okay, the next one, chomping. Chomping is the eating sounds. Okay, ஸோ நம்ம ஈட் பண்ணுறப்போ ஒரு சவுண்ட்ஸ் வரும் பார்த்தீங்களா, தட் இஸ் சாம்பிங் சவுண்ட்ஸ். Okay, and see the did you know, see page number 185. It is not good to be greedy. It is not good to be greedy. So no one likes greedy people. If you are in greedy, no one likes you. They are hating you. They hated you. So no one likes you. Okay, if you are greedy people, no one likes you. And sharing is always more fun. We should always share our things with others. Okay, okay children, and let's see the story Greedy Mini. What is the story? Greedy Mini. And in the story the main character is Mini. Okay, and see the story. The cookies smelled delicious, so did the cake and the sandwiches and the laddus and the burgers. Minnie could not wait to eat. Minnie does not wait for to eat. She was at the birthday party. Now Minnie is in birthday party. It was Taram's birthday. He's a friend for Minnie, and it was Taram's birthday. She was in birthday party. She pushed others aside and filled her plate high with the food. Okay, Taram's mother looked at her and she thought Minnie was greedy. Okay, and the next one, see page number 186. You can take more after you finish this, Minnie, she said, but Minnie did not listen. So Taram's mother said, you can take more after you finish this food, but she did not listen to her. And she stuffed her mouth with cake. Stuffed her mouth with cake, and she wanted to finish her piece and take more. Okay, so he eats fastly. It was so tasty, she thought it might finish. Others could hear her chomping loudly. So Minnie has no manners, Sunita said to Suraj. Sunita said to Suraj, Minnie has no manners. She, how she is stuffing. See how she is stuffing her mouth, said Suraj. And yes, just like a pig, Sunita replied. Sunita said, he's looking like a pig. And Minnie heard them. Minnie heard all those speaking words, but she did not care. She did not care about anything. She was too busy eating that she did not even realize that someone of cake icing was on her face. Okay, no, Minnie did not care about anything. She only too busy eating this. While going home, Minnie saw some pigs. While going home, Minnie saw some pigs. They were eating from a dustbin. They were greedy. They were pushing each other and stuffing their face. They were making loud noise while eating. Okay? And see, page number 186. When Minnie reached home, she could smell something tasty from the kitchen. When Minnie reached home, he smelled something tasty from the kitchen. Minnie's mother was a very good cook, and they sat down for dinner. And Minnie's brother Amar and her sister Tanvi were also there. So they were waiting for their dinner. And Minnie had one sister and one brother. One brother name is Amar and sister name is Tanvi. And Tanvi looked at the Minnie and asked, "What happened to your nose?" Tanvi asked to Minnie, "What happened to your nose?" And Minnie said rudely, "Nothing." She pushed her sister and grabbed the sandwich. Grab means snatch. There was one sandwich for everyone, but Minnie took two. And Minnie, don't be greedy, her father said. Her father said, Minnie, don't be a greedy. But Minnie did not listen to her father. And what happened to your eyes, Minnie? Asked Amar. Amar asked, what happened to your eyes? Minnie was too busy stuffing her mouth. Her mother brought a sandwich. Minnie took it before anyone else could. Minnie, her father scolded, wait for your tongue. Okay, Minnie's father scolded, wait for your turn and say please and thank you. And say please and thank you, told to the Minnie. But see page number 187. Minnie, your eyes look a bit odd, said Minnie's mother, like a little pig. But Minnie did not listen as he was too busy eating. So Minnie's mother said, Minnie's your ears look bit of odd, but she did not listen to she always eating too busy. And when the cake came, Minnie grabbed the biggest slice. Then she got up to go. Then we burst out laughing. Minnie, you look like a pig. Minnie, you look just like a pig. And we laughed and said, then Minnie saw her face in the mirror. Minnie saw and see her face in the mirror. Her face was pink and shiny. Her ears, nose, and eyes were just like those of pig. Okay, and Minnie's face turned red, and she ran to her home and she hid under the bed cover. She did not want to talk anyone. How would she ever go to school? She thought how she ever go to school, what the friends had said. She felt very sad. After a while, there was a knock at the door. Someone is knock at the door, and then we beeped in. Minnie, she said softly, I'm sorry that I said you looked like a pig. Tanvi asked sorry to Minnie. Minnie said sadly, it's okay, Tanvi. Please leave me alone. Okay, and see the next one. After a while, there was another knock. After she heard another someone is knocking the door. It was Amar. Who's that? That was Amar. Minnie. He said, I have brought you a cake slice. Please eat it. Amar said, I have a broad cake slice. Please eat it. But Minnie did not feel like eating. She said, I'm not hungry. Thank you, Amar. And Minnie felt her ears go hot. She looked in the mirror. Her ears were like Bone's ears again. Then next day at the table, Minnie waited for her turn. Please pass me the vegetable, and she said politely. Her nose became hot, and she touched it. It was her nose again. Minnie ate her food without making chomping sounds, and her face eyes also felt hot. When she looked in the mirror, she no longer looked like a pig. So Minnie changed herself. She changed to become a good manners girl. And see, Minnie never forgot what had happened. She always said, please pass me the food, thank you, please, and excuse me after that. She kept her mouth closed while eating. She also never made chomping sounds. From that day, no ever said that she ate like a pig. Minnie ate with the proper manners. She always thought about others and she became a good girl. Everyone now liked her. So Minnie realized her mistake and changed herself to get a good manners kid. So we always being share with things with others. Okay? You should learn the good manners. Please pass me, excuse me. Okay, and say thank you. Okay? Okay, children. I hope everybody clear about this story. Okay? Okay, now it's time for homework, and today's homework is complete page number 64 and 65 in your workbook. Once you're done your homework, post it in Google Classroom Grade 2 English. Stay safe and stay home. Eat healthy food and drink more water. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next class.